In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a splash screen animation for your app using Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your Figma project. It'll help to have your team project loaded up. If you haven't done that yet, head over to your projects in Figma and click on the one that you're working on. Once you're in your project, locate the Create button and click on it. This will launch a new canvas for you to work on your splash screen design. Now, the splash screen is typically the first thing users see when they open your app, so let's make sure the design represents your brand well. Next, click on the Design tab in the top left, where you can start laying out your splash screen. Here, you will want to paste your app logo and the app name onto the canvas. Just drag and drop your logo image and type in your app name directly onto the screen. To make your design more visually appealing, place the text inside a frame. Now don't forget to give your design some breathing room by dragging your text and logo into a well-structured frame. We want to keep our elements organized before getting into the animation part. After setting up your elements, you'll want to make 6 copies of your frame. Yes, 6. This will allow us to create the transitions between your splash screen animation. To do this, simply click on the frame and then utilize the copy command. Once your frames are ready, it's time to remove the fill color from all of your frames. This will ensure that your logo and text stand out. Now let's animate. Drag your logo into your first frame. You'll want to make it smaller in size so it fits perfectly in that frame, creating a clean and professional look. Now for the second frame, drag that logo and increase its size slightly so it appears to be growing. Next, move the logo to the third frame and rotate it by about 45 degrees. This twist will add some flair to your animation. As we move on to the fourth frame, shrink the logo down again until it looks more like a dot. It's all about creating a nice flow here. Now, drag that tiny logo dot to the fifth frame and reposition it. This will begin to build movement in your animation. You'll now want to adjust the text so that it appears next to the logo, keeping both centered in the frame. Continue to make sure everything is centered as you transition to the sixth frame. Here, maximize the logo so it fills the whole space of your frame. Once that's done, it's time to set the timing for your animation. Go to the prototype section, select your first frame, and set it as the flow starting point. Now, connect your first frame to the second using the plus icon to establish the transitions. In the triggers section, set it to after delay and type in a delay of just 1 millisecond. You want your animation to feel snappy. Choose Smart Animate in the animation settings, and then for easing, opt for Custom Spring. Set the duration to 400 milliseconds, with stiffness at 400 and damping at 30 for a crisp bounce effect. As you repeat the connection process for the remaining frames, keep the delays short but effective. By the time you finish connecting all your frames and adjusting the transitions, you will be ready to preview your splash screen animation. Simply hit the play button and watch as your creation comes to life. And there you have it. You've created a stunning splash screen animation in Figma, and it's ready for your app. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.